Guys, today something different. I want to show you this website, leatherette.versal.app. I got this website from a guy from Instagram who is a follower of me, and he has something nice, a nice idea, a public archive for camera leatherette templates organized for browsing. There are not that many. I think it's only this 3 here. But you're very welcome to submit your own stuff there. I will submit my own leatherette coverings there too. I think it's a nice project. When we help each other, it's better for us all. So I really want to add my leatherette coverings there. But I have to organize them a little bit more. So yeah, I will leave the link in the description and feel free to support this nice project. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just want to support people who should get support. That's it. Happy Easter days. I don't have to work, but I'm free. I'm not working, but I'm working anyway on my business. So guys, see you. Never stop working. Never stop dreaming.